Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Wittee, and today I'm going to be talking about something everybody literally would love, and this is how you can make money, at least $500 trading the forex market every day. And I believe this is something literally everybody is interested in. I mean, we all want money. If I didn't want money, I obviously wouldn't even be in this business in the first place. So today, what we'll be doing is I'm going to be sharing a story with you. Like, it's going to be more like a story. So if you are interested in this story, please sit back and relax. And I hope you gain one or two from this. Okay, I'm going to be sharing some things with you which you will definitely find value in. So I just go back from a meeting, from a very brief meeting, and on my way back, I got a message from someone on Telegram, and he said he's actually thinking of quitting his job and going full time into forex. And he said he's been going through my results, and he just wants to ask me and verify how can he be making at least say $500 from the forex markets every day. And I'm like, every day? He said yes. And I asked, okay, so if you are looking to make $500 every day, that means at least every week you're looking at 2,500, right? He said yes. And if you are looking at 2,500 weekly, that means monthly you're looking at an average earnings of say $10,000, right? And he said yes. So this is the rundown. This is what started that question. So we all need money, and I realized that there's this massive advantage currently available to forex traders right now that many of us are not taking advantage of. And so what I did was, at the beginning of the month of July, that is this month, I made an announcement on my Telegram channel. If you're not a member of my Telegram channel, you definitely want to join that. And I said I will be teaching people how to pass prop firm challenges for free, the way I do it. And by God's grace, I lived up to that promise. We got the training started, and we actually did two batches, right? But the second batch is yet to be concluded in, I think, 2 days' time. So in this group, I taught a couple of things, and I was also posting signals. And literally, all the signals we posted all played out. We had 100% win rates for the entire 2 weeks of the training. And that was what birthed that question, because he kept on seeing the results everybody was posting. So he then asked me, and I realized this is a question I get very, very often, like very, very often. So many newbie traders, so many people actually see, how would I put it? So many people see a future in this thing and in forex trading, and they believe there's a lot of potential in it. So that's what I'm talking about today. So how exactly can you achieve that? How can you get to that stage in your life, in your career, where you can bank at least $10,000 from the forex market every month, or 2,500 from the markets every week, or $500 from the market every day? So before I do that, let me just quickly play these recordings. Okay, watch the trades. So this was the trade we took on Tuesday this week, and today's 28th, right? So that must have been on the 26th. We did not trade on Wednesday because Wednesday was FOMC. That's yesterday. And then a recording of the trade we took today, and literally everything cumulatively did almost $2,000 thereabout. So quickly look at it. Okay. from this, you see that literally those trades we called worked out exactly as we said they were going to work out. And our entries are what you call sniper entries. So there was literally zero drawdown on those trades, and it made a lot of sense. It literally made trading so easy, right? Now, the issue is if you have that target to make $500, you should have a plan concerning it. So I did something this week, earlier this week. I posted on the training group, on the prop firm training group. I said I want everybody to list out their goals for forex, their goals, both financial goals, monetary goals, and skill set goals and the likes. And people were posting, and I saw goals like I have a target to make 25% monthly, I have a target to make 10% weekly, and the likes. And now the truth is, it's actually very possible, most especially if you're using something like the prop firm trading strategy, which I'm teaching, and you have a high win ratio and high risk to reward. It's actually possible to do as much as 25% per month. However, why not pace yourself and make it easy for yourself? Okay, so if you have that target to make $10,000 every month, now this would be my advice. It's very possible. Do not limit yourself. It's completely possible. But this is what I feel you should do, okay? Have a plan. And a very, very important part of that plan is your target and your capital, okay? You already have the target, the financial target, which is $10,500 daily. Now, your capital would also play a very major role in how you achieve that target. Now, this is what I mean. Like I always say, it is easy to make $500 every day trading with a $50,000 account than making $500 every day when you are trading maybe a $1,000 account or a $500 account or a $100 account. Okay, so you definitely need to cater for that. And I remember also during this week, someone posted on the group. They posted this compounding sheet. And I know so many traders have seen that kind of stuff, compounding sheet. So many people preach it, so many people use it. I personally do not preach that. Why? Because I don't think it works. And this is why I would say compounding sheets do not work. Because most compounding sheets do not cater for losses. That is, you have a target of making maybe 0.5% every day, and you are targeting that. So what happens the day you don't meet that target, or the day, and in fact, for some compounding sheets, you are actually even using a specific lot size, and the lot size keeps growing as your capital grows. So my question is, what happens when you then take a loss? What happens? Does your compounding sheet cater for that? And the truth is, if you have a target, so that is one part of it. That is one part of it. The second part of it now is, if you have a target to make money every day in the forex market, you will most likely disappoint yourself. And that is the truth. That is the honest truth. Okay, so for instance, I don't trade on Mondays. I rarely trade on Fridays. FOMC days, I do not trade. NFP days, I do not trade. So if you are in my shoes, does that mean on those days you wouldn't make money, or on those days you then fall short of your plan? Now, the truth is, even on days when you trade, you might actually not even find entries on those days, and it will get really frustrating. However, when setting goals in the forex market, when setting your targets, it's easier when you set, instead of $500 daily, you set it as $10,000 monthly or $2,500, even on a weekly time frame. I think even that could be quite stressful. I think when you set goals per month, per quarter, annually, biannually, it does make a lot of sense. It puts less pressure on you as a trader. And I believe that is why even these prop firms allow you 30 days to actually meet your target of just 10%. So yes, can you make $500 a week? It's very, very possible. Can you make $500 a day? It's very, very possible. However, sum it all up into a month. It makes more sense that way. And the truth is, you need money to make money in FX. So your capital also has to be right. If you want to make $500 every day from the forex market, if you want to make $10,000 every month from the forex market, then that means you need at least, to be easy, you need at least a capital of say $100,000. Now, the advantage we have as forex traders today is to get $100,000 isn't so difficult. All you just need to do is to access a good prop trading firm. If you do not know what a prop trading firm is, I have a video I did on prop trading firms, and I have another video on which ones are the best, so you could go ahead and check that out to select, to actually choose what prop firm you like. So what I would advise is simply go for a good prop firm that offers you as much as $100,000, pass their challenge, and then you can access that and you can realize your goal of $10,000 monthly. So that's what I feel you should actually do. So when you have larger capital, it's usually very easy. And if you're interested in if you want to know more about this training I'm talking about, so the free training concludes on Saturday. So I think Saturday's date is 28th. So you could feel free, you could join that by joining my Telegram channel. The link is just in the description box below this video. So go ahead, join my Telegram channel where I share these updates. And on Saturday, the training on Saturday won't be just for the guys on the group, it will be for everybody. So I'll be doing a full recap of everything we taught during the 2 weeks of the free training. You are invited. Go ahead, join the link, join the Telegram channel. And every Monday also I host the Path to Profit podcast. And on this podcast, we share how to make money online, not just in the Forex market, but literally in several other businesses online. So that's why I thought to share with you guys. So you can actually do make that $500 every day from the Forex market. Thank you so much. See you on the Telegram group.